We decided to take part in the GBTA Sustainability Summit today because we believe the business travel industry is key to helping transition the aviation industry. At SkyNRG, our aim is to help people fly more sustainably through the use of sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF. However, in order to scale this solution, we know that we need the help of all the different stakeholders. At GBTA, at this summit, I feel like you've brought everyone together, and this is a great place to take learnings about the key opportunities and challenges within this industry. In our view, there are three key things that are needed to build a greener future for the business travel industry. The first is government action and policies. So setting up the regulatory frameworks that will ensure that solutions can be scaled and that aviation is managed in a responsible way. The second is investments in new technologies. So it's not only governments who need to invest in these new solutions. We actually need the help of all the industries and those who are able of showing leadership and innovation to invest in solutions like sustainable aviation fuels, electric aircraft, and new startups and solutions that are coming up with other ideas of how we can manage our travel. Finally, we need to rethink our travel habits. So a big part of changing the travel industry is changing the way we travel. For a long time, flying has been seen as the key way for business travel to operate. However, we've seen that it is possible to meet virtually and to travel using different forms of transport. Because of that, we as companies need to look at how we can rethink the way we travel and only fly for when it's really necessary and important. With these three things, I think that we can achieve a greener future for sustainable travel. SkyNRG is supporting the travel industry in its sustainability journey in two key ways. The first is increasing production capacity of sustainable aviation fuels. We're currently building the first dedicated SAF facility in Europe, which should be up and running in 2027, and which will increase the amount of sustainable fuel in the industry. As well as that, we're also working on developing 4 more regional supply chains, which will further help to solve the problem of massive demand and very low supply of sustainable aviation fuels within the aviation industry. Secondly, we also have our programs, Board Now and Fly on SAF. These programs help companies and individual travelers to gain easier access to SAF. Companies and individuals can choose how much SAF they would like to purchase in order to reduce their CO2 emissions, and in doing so, also co-fund the price of sustainable fuels. We believe that with these programs, we can really help scale the industry and grow it to where it needs to be to decarbonize.